Hello everyone again. This time we're Nelson Robles. We're going to install the role of an internet server name system to this Windows Server 2016. This is for operating system to Japanese class module 2. Great. So what you have to do is you have to come to the server manager that you already know how to open from all these previous videos. You don't know how to just go fucking back to it and see it. Alright, so you click on this thing, and you click Nets, right? Role based. Select the server, and then you have the roles. But then on the roles, it's not where it is. It's on the features. And then on the features, you select the Internet Server Service, and this is it. Then you click on Next, and this is gonna let you restart. Right after it finishes, you click on Install, and then after it finishes installing, then it's gonna restart the computer, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this is gonna restart, and after this restarts, then we are gonna need to configure it. We are gonna configure all these things, and there you go. You can close it, and after you close it, then let's close it first. After you close it, this is gonna restart anyways. It's gonna ask you, hey, this is finished installing. Do you want to restart? And you say, yes, I want to restart. And it does. And let's just wait for a while until that finishes. Then this is gonna ask us to restart. And we shouldn't have done that because now we don't know if it's just because it's slow or what's going on. Okay, okay, this is our time. This is the correct time it finished. Okay, so we must restart this now. Uh, there you go, it finished. Then we have to restart that. We come here, we click restart. We select why we are installing, and we're gonna do application installation. Because why not? It's planned because we just planned it right now, and it's gonna restart. I'm not gonna take my server offline, my iSCSI server offline just yet, because we might use it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go back to the last video and fucking watch it. Don't be so lazy. And we might use it on this one. We need to wait until it comes back up, and it does what it does. And meanwhile, we're just gonna wait for this to come back up, and then that's it. Just wait. It's me, Mario. All the other times I was usually playing music, but I don't have time for this anymore. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch the screen as it opens up. I'm not gonna edit this. I'm sorry for you. If you wanna see it quicker, and I don't know, just watch somebody else's video. I don't have time to edit stuff. So we're coming here, right? And we're gonna send the Control Alt Delete to the computer so it opens, and then we click. It's go, and dame un momento para finish this one because I have to disconnect it. Tengo que conectarlo de aquí. And when it comes back up, then you can wait until it loads, and you type in the iSNS. let's wait until the server manager loads so we get all the thing. There you go. So now we come and open the administrative tools, and here we have the iSNS server. There we can come into here. Now, once we come into this, then this is the list of everything we have registered, which is, you know what? Nothing. So then we come to discovery domains, and here we can create a discovery domain. See? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just create a discovery domain, and I'm gonna create a symbolic name, and this symbolic name I'm gonna just put the domain name. I don't know, just symbolic name. There you go. And now I can add targets and I can add everything to it. Right, so there are multiple options to this. You can just add new, remove, create, delete, and all this bunch of stuff. Right, we have default discovery name and um, all these multiple things, right? And we can click and add or things. So this just explains what this is for. We can add, remove targets from here. You can talk and delete things from here. We can create domain sets, so we can where we have multiple domains just being into one. But this is all you use it for, right? So actually creating one and using it is beyond the scope of this. If you want to see more of it, just stay tuned. And if not, then see you on the next one. Fucking subscribe.